According to new research, certain nose and throat bacteria make you less likely to get the flu. And this could be big news for doctors trying to prevent the flu and secondary infections like pneumonia.
This is cool because it's not just a random new study about bacteria. The researchers found a kind of thing that hasn't really been seen before.
Totally. As reported by Futurity, researchers from the University of Michigan looked at samples of nose and throat bacteria from people who had confirmed influenza, and they used DNA sequencing to figure out exactly which bacteria were present. The researchers found 5 clusters, and then checked to see if participants with a given cluster were more likely to get influenza. They factored in other risk factors like age, tobacco use, flu vaccination, stuff like that. What was surprising was that who had which cluster made a difference in whether they got influenza. Basically, it showed that if you have a certain bacterial community, you have a lower risk for getting the flu. And this has never been shown before, according to the study's lead author, Betsy Foxman. She says there's a lot of potential on where to go from here, but there's still a lot of work to do. One approach is working with microbes instead of treating them like an enemy that needs to be wiped out. This could be the start of a long road toward pushing a person's microbiome in a way that makes a difference. Could you just take a microbiome pill in the future? The study doesn't answer that question, but the results are exciting. And even if a magic pill isn't the answer, the results are one part of figuring out why some people get sick with influenza when they're exposed to the virus and others don't. You can read more about the details of this study on Curiosity.com and on our free Curiosity app for Android and iOS, including lots of other exciting quotes from the authors of the study.
I think I might have had one of these because my wife totally got the flu and I totally didn't.
Awesome.
I guess, for me.
Bacterial superpower.